न्यूयॉर्क के नवा में वाक़या सफ़ा काउंटी की रिपब्लिकन पार्टी की क़यादत ने पाकिस्तानी व मुस्लिम अमेरिकन कम्यूनिटी को यकीन दिलाया है कि वो कम्यूनिटी के हकूक़ और किसी भी किस्म के तअस्सुब और नफ़रत की बुनियाद पर कार्रवाइयों से कम्यूनिटी के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के लिए अपना हर मुमकिन किरदार अदा करेंगे। सफ़ा काउंटी में इस साल नवंबर में काउंटी एग्जेक्टिव के इलेक्शन होने जा रहे हैं। काउंटी में मुस्लिम कम्यूनिटी की बढ़ती हुई तादाद के पेश नज़र कम्यूनिटी की सियासी अहमियत में भी इजाफा हो गया है। सफ़ा काउंटी एग्जेक्टिव के रिपब्लिकन उम्मीदवार एड रोमेन ने रिपब्लिकन पार्टी सफ़ा काउंटी के चेयरमैन जैसी गार्सिया के हमरा मस्जिद दारुल कुरान का दौरा किया और नमाज जुमा के इज्तिमा में शिरकत की। नमाज जुमा की अदायगी के बाद मस्जिद दारुल कुरान के राजा हसन अहमद और डॉक्टर हफीजुर रहमान ने एड रोमेन और जैसी गार्सिया को खुश आमदीद कहा।
Politicians coming to the mosque, you know what's nearby? Elections, right? But you are welcome off election time also to the mosque. Come and pray with us.
I think it's extremely important for our community to engage this election. Our current county executive, Steve Below, he has been termed out after 3 terms, a total of 12 years. And the Democratic Party and Republican Party both are running candidates for the election, which is up and coming in this November. And I think it's crucial that we be part of this process and our community engage, understand the issues at hand, and what they can do to effectively ensure that the person who comes to office is somebody who is going to work with our community and create pathways for us to get more involved in government.
एड रोमेन का कहना था कि अगर वो सफ़ा काउंटी एग्जेक्टिव मुंतखब होते हैं तो मुस्लिम अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी का उनकी इंतज़ामिया में अहम किरदार होगा।
Hi, my name is Ed Romaine, Brookhaven supervisor, but I'm running for county executive this November. The election is November 7th. And as supervisor of the town of Brookhaven, we have 8 mosques in our town. The Muslim community is a fast-growing, significant influence in our town, and I'd like to see that happen in the county. As county executive, I'm going to have an advisory committee so that the Muslim community can go somewhere with their concerns and get them addressed, and know that county government is working for them and wants them to be part of the mosaic that makes up Suffolk County, all the different groups. Make sure their voice is being heard.
रिपब्लिकन पार्टी सफ़ा काउंटी के चेयरमैन जैसी गार्सिया का कहना था कि मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी और रिपब्लिकन पार्टी बहुत सी मुश्तरका इक़दार पर यकीन रखती हैं।
And I can tell you, the principles of the Republican Party and that of the South Asian Muslim community are one. We're people of faith, family, community. We're entrepreneurs. We're culturally in tune. And what we need is everyone to be united. The things I will say to you, our candidate for Suffolk County Executive, Edward Romaine, who's the Brookhaven supervisor, is someone that has been in this community not just before election, he's been here during elections and after elections, which is most important. Every challenge that the county will have, whether it be economically, revitalization of downtowns, our quality of life, crime, Supervisor Romaine has done it, has faced those challenges and overcome those challenges to the benefit of communities, to the benefit of taxpayers, and the benefit of small businesses in his 11-year tenure as Brookhaven Town Supervisor. We've faced so many things, and the best way to face them is to do that together.
नमाज जुमा के इज्तिमा से खिताब के बाद रिपब्लिकन कायदीन कम्युनिटी अरकान से गोल मिल गए और उन्हें अपना तारुफ करवाया और नवंबर में होने वाले इलेक्शन में वोट के लिए कहते रहे। मोहसिन ज़हीर, उर्दू न्यूज़, न्यूयॉर्क।